Hey guys, it's Lane Morgan here, owner of Renown Cargo Trailers, and we are about to do a spectacular video for you. Everybody asks me all the time, Lane, how do you move so many trailers? Well, we sell 200 to 300 trailers consistently every month here at Renown, and the reason is because God has surrounded me with a bunch of champions, and they're the ones who make it happen. We've got 13 amazing sales reps that have tons of experience in this industry. A lot of them have owned their own businesses. Some of them still do. Some of them actually I pulled out the manufacturing plant. And we've just got a team here that, everybody contributes in their own separate way. But first off, this is my beautiful sister, Erin Morgan. She is a sales rep here. She will do a fantastic job taking care of you, getting you the information you need. We've also got my man Greg Fletcher right here. He does a phenomenal job. Cole right here, Cole Knight does an amazing job. Tucker Oots and AKA Chad Davis, we call him Stick, but he's in here killing it as well. But guys, that's the reason, and there's a whole lot more that's not here right now. They're out meeting customers, doing their thing, but we have built an amazing culture here at Renown Cargo Trailers. We've got a guy in-house that does all our CAD drawings. We've got a finance manager. Nobody runs a business like we do here at Renown. And the reason we do that is provide you the best buying experience possible when you're searching for an enclosed cargo trailer. But guys, let's come out here and look at some of our products. I'm gonna thank y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what separates us from all the other competition out there. One, we're building you a superior product at a phenomenal price. We don't cut corners here at Renown Cargo. I don't want you calling me a year or two down the road and saying, Lane, I'm having issues with my trailer. No, we don't get that. I mean, obviously, sometimes things happen. They're built by people, but that's another thing. Go read our reviews. We've got over 700 reviews on Google. Last time I looked, it was 4.8, 4.9. Guys, that says a lot. We're right at a 5-star review, and that makes me feel good because we're obviously doing something right. I've got this 6x12 tandem axle trailer. A couple of things that sets us apart is one, you can see the elite siding on the thing. This is an 080 material. The industry standard uses an 024 gauge. We are using an elite siding here at Renown that is over 3 times as thick as your industry standard on cargo trailers. Another thing, we've got a true undercoating on our frame. This isn't just paint, guys. It is a true undercoating. You need that on your trailer. This trailer has a blackout package on it, so all your trim's done in black. This is something that a lot of people are going crazy about. One, it just makes your trailer pop, it looks a little cooler, and we did this one with a white with a blackout package. So we've got a 36-inch side door right here with your lock. We've got 3/4-inch plywood floors on the floor, 3/8 on the wall, a thermocool roof liner, and I'll let the ramp down in a little bit. We'll go in one and I'll show you the final finish coming. Another thing is, if you'll notice how flat and smooth this stuff looks, look how durable that is. You go hit a regular standard trailer with 024 metal, guys, you're not gonna get that. So we screw it in the seams and glue it down in the middle. That's why this Polycore lays so flat and looks so smooth. I'm a cosmetic guy. I don't want to look like a wrinkled up potato chip bag driving down the road pulling my trailer. If you get a trailer with 024 metal, you might run into that issue. We see them all the time. So we've got tandem 3,500 pound axles on this trailer. I've also deleted the roof vents so you don't have to worry about the sun cracking the vent. We've got your nice aluminum sidewall vents. We put one right here on the passenger side at the lower part of the trailer, and then on the driver's side I mount one up at the top front of the trailer. And what you do is you open up the vents and it creates a draft, and it pulls all of that air out of that trailer. If you're hauling something like a lawnmower or side-by-side or a car, there's gas fumes in that trailer. You don't want to step in that trailer and smell gas. So these aluminum sidewall vents really work well when it comes to that. Guys, we're gonna walk around to the back. We've got your LED brake strip lights right here. These aren't your typical just oval lights. I'm gonna let the ramp down on this one so you can see. We've got some extra height on this trailer as well, guys. 7-foot interior height. You got your spring assist up top, so it helps you let the ramp door in and out. You got your transitional flap. Everything's trimmed out good. You'll come in here, You'll notice we've got a thermocool roof liner on this trailer. This keeps the trailer about 15 degrees cooler. On a hot day like today in South Georgia, it's muggy out here. You can see I'm sweating bullets. I look like I fought the water hose and lost, but I'm showing you some amazing trailers. 16 on center in the walls and the floors. This thing is built to last, guys. Everything's trimmed out nice. The aluminum sidewall vents that I was telling you about, they open both directions, so you can open them frontwards or backwards. On a day when it's raining, you can open it this direction and you don't have to worry about rain coming in, and it will pull the gas fumes out of your trailer like we talked about. You don't have to worry about the sun cracking the roof vent. So you will never have to replace that vent. This trailer right here, guys, you can pull away with this trailer, 6x12 tandem axle trailer, for less than $5,000, $4,900. This trailer can be yours. Now I want you to think about all the upgrades you're getting. The Elite Siding, 080 Polycore, semi-screwless exterior, aluminum sidewall vents, extra height, 7 foot tall, and nobody will beat our price, I guarantee you. The next one I'm about to show you right here, this is an 8.5x24. Again, the 080 Elite Siding. We've got extra height on it, 5,200 pound axles. So this trailer is going to weigh around 3,400 pounds. You can haul 6,800 pounds of payload in it. Guys, it's built to last. Again, undercoating on it, 7 foot tall, 3/4 inch plywood floors, 3/8 on the walls, Polycore. And this trailer, you can pull away with this one for 8,300 bucks, guys. Go around. I encourage you to shop around. You will not find a better price when you're comparing apples to apples. Now, again, you got to think, we are not building you an economy line trailer. We are building you a trailer that's going to last and be durable going down the road. We're not cutting corners. Right here, we've got an 8.5x16. This one's done in white, Polycore, semi-screwless. Look how flat and smooth that siding's laying. Got your aluminum sidewall vents, 3,500 pound axles. This trailer right here has extra height as well. So with all of these upgrades on it, guys, you can pull away with this trailer for less than $7,000. A lot of people use these for toy haulers or lawn landscaping, but it's got the extra height, so there's plenty of clearance. You're gonna have 84 inches interior height, and then you're gonna lose a couple of inches going in that ramp door because of that header and spring assist, but roughly you're gonna have about a 79-inch opening. So most side-by-sides will fit under there unless you got it jacked up with some aftermarket tires. But we can build them taller if we need to. Less than $7,000, guys. All right, this is a beautiful trailer. 7x16 tandem axle trailer, 7 foot tall, silver frost, Polycore, semi-screwless, blackout package. You can pull away with this trailer for less than $6,000, $5,999. Guys, these deals are the best deals out there, I promise. The next trailer I'm showing you, this is an 8.5x20. Again, true undercoating on the frame, triple tube tongue, Polycore, Elite Siding, semi-screwless exterior, upgraded aluminum sidewall vents, 7 foot tall. You can pull away with this trailer for less than $8,000, $7,970. Again, at Renown Cargo Trailers, we don't have anything to hide. We're very transparent. A lot of people do videos, they don't tell you your price. I'm telling you up front what you can pull away. I don't want to waste your time, and I don't want you to waste our time. We give you the price up front. We sell a lot of trailers, and we can't wait to earn your business. Guys, so we've looked at a 6x12 tandem. We've looked at an 8.5x24. We've got a 20 foot. We've got a 16 foot 7 wide, a 16 foot 8.5 wide. I've got a bunch of brand new fresh inventory hitting our lot. We're pulling about 5 to 7 trailers over here a day. Guys, again, we are a volume dealer. We are the largest enclosed dealership that moves more units out of one specific location than anybody in America. And guys, that's the reason why I can sell so many trailers and give you the best price out there. Guys, I can't wait for the opportunity to earn your business. If you're looking for a cargo trailer where you want to come is Douglas, Georgia. You see the water tank up there? We're located right off the bypass next to all the major car dealerships here in Douglas. We're real easy to find. You just look for the Crown of Thorns. Speaking of the Crown of Thorns, you know, when I got in this business, it was never about a cargo trailer, guys. It was always about people. We built this business to be a platform for the gospel. And I'm not going to shove something down your throat, but I do want to share some good news with you. I was 26 years old, and Jesus was always like Santa Claus to me, guys. I never encountered his love. People told me about him my whole life, and you know, I didn't think he was real. I'll just be honest with you. You know, if you'd asked me if I was a Christian, I would have told you, yeah. I said prayers before my baseball and football games, but I never encountered his love on a real, authentic level. But something changed when I was 26 years old. I was going through a dark time in my life. I was bound. I didn't have a pot to pee in, and I didn't know which way to go. And man, I cried out to the Lord. And the Bible says that he will not reject your broken heart or your broken cry. And he didn't, guys. At that time in my life, I collided with the love of God, and my life hasn't been the same since. So if you don't get anything else out of this video, I could care less if I sell you a trailer or not. But I do care about you meeting Jesus. So guys, if you want to talk about that, give us a call at Renown Cargo Trailers. If you want to talk about a trailer, we would love the opportunity to earn your business. But guys, this is why we do what we do. And again, we're not going to shove nothing down your throat. It don't taste good that way, but people need to encounter the love of God. And I believe God is about to do something amazing in our country. I believe that there's a shift about to take place, and God's looking for people just like me and you to share his amazing love. So guys, thanks for watching our videos. I promise you, you will not find a better price on these trailers. They are built right from the get-go. We're not cutting corners. You're going to get a superior product at a phenomenal price. I've got plenty of people that'll do an amazing job taking care of you. Finance managers, in-house CAD drawers, 13 sales reps. And guys, go read our reviews. They speak for themselves. Again, over 700 reviews on Google, 4.8 five-star review. That speaks volumes to me. But guys, thanks for watching our videos. And we just want to tell you, you can find us at renowncargotrailers.com. You can give us a call at 888-287-3954. And we look forward to talking to y'all soon. And I hope you all have a blessed weekend. And we look forward to seeing you soon. Y'all know the rest. Until then, y'all be blessed.